Jai Hind students, welcome to back in computer class. Today we will learn Microsoft Word. In that, understand MS Word as a word processor package from Office. Start MS Word on the computer. We'll know about the different toolbar and of MS Word and create a new document. First we should know MS Word is a word processor package. It is one of the program from MS Office. This enables you to work with customized text. What are the uses of MS Word? We can type letters, stories, news, reports and various other documents in a simple way. We can correct our typing mistakes occurred while typing. We can edit the text and make changes in the text. We can insert pictures in the document. We can copy, cut and paste the text in a document. We can check the spelling mistakes occurred while typing the text. We can save the document for future use and we can print the documents. This package allows you to format the text by using the powerful tools. Now children, we will learn here first how to start MS Word. Children, in this chapter we are using Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word can be started in three ways: through desktop, through stored or all programs menu, or through search. First, sharing our screen to show how can you start MS Word. First, we can start through desktop to open MS Word. It is a Microsoft Word. Shortcut documents is here. Select the icon of MS Office Word and double click on the icon. It will be open. Next, select the icon of Microsoft Office Word and double click of the mouse button on the icon, or select the icon of Word and press enter key of the keyboard. Enter key button of the keyboard. See, it will be open. Second method, click on start button and choose the all apps or all programs and then scroll down this and search it. Where is your Word document is here. Choose Microsoft Word is here and click on it. It will be open and choose the blank document. Then after it is ready to type. You can click here. See, the Microsoft Word document will be open. Yes, understood. And now Second way, click on search and type here WINWORD, WinWord, to open Microsoft Word, and press enter key on the keyboard. It will be opened. Yes, you can see here it is a Microsoft Word document. Next one, third way. How can you open third way? Right click first, make a shortcut key for the Word document to open. Right click of the mouse button on empty area and choose new and Microsoft Word document. A file will be created. Then after, you can double click on this, it will be opened. Double click on this file. See, Microsoft Word has been opened. Understood? Yes. How can you find the third method? Very simple. Once again I want to repeat it. Right click of the mouse button on empty area and choose the new, and then after choose Microsoft Word document. The file has been created and double click on this file, means it is a type of, you can see, type Microsoft Word document. Double click on that, Microsoft Word document will be open. Maybe you have understood. Word user interface element. The Word, MS Word window has many features to aid you in creating and editing document. Some important elements are there. I will be show here and discuss about that. I am sharing my screen to show it. Word user interface element. The Word of Windows has many features to aid you in creating and editing document. Yes, see, this is the file tab. Then after it is a home tab, insert tab, design tab, layout tab, reference tab, mailing, review and view tab is here. It is a title bar. Microsoft Word document, it is a title bar. When you have to save your files, title bar will be here. Which name file is there, that is shown by the title bar. And now it is a ribbon. Yes, this is the ribbon. These are the ribbons bar. See, collapse the ribbon, means it will be collapse. Yes, it is a ribbon bar. It is a quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar. You can add to other one also. New, open, email, quick print, redo and undo is showing here. It is a undo, it is a redo. If you want to add, it is a depend on you. And these from here to here, it is the document area where you have to type. It is the status bar. How many pages are there? How many words are there? Yes, it is shown in this area. These are the views button. It is the read mode view. It is the print layout, means these are the views buttons, and these for the zoom control. If you want to release, see your screen is the down less than that one, it now it is your 64% is screen is here. Yes, I want to maximize it, see, and then after generally 100 we have to 100%. Click the open the zoom dialog box, and you have to just, this is the ribbon display options. Yes, it is the depend on you. And now just typing here to bring features to your fingertips and get helps. What is the file tab? This is the file tab. File tab means file tab is present on the top of left of the MS Word window. You can click it when you need to open or save files. Open or save as files or print also. Create new document, it for the new, and print document, take the print for here. Next one, quick access toolbar. It is a quick access toolbar where you have to customize it. You can add open, new, email, quick print, print preview and print, spelling and grammars, undo and redo, it is a given by default. Draw tables, it is a depend on you and customize in quick access toolbar. It is a small toolbar at the top of right corner of MS Word. It contains shortcuts for some of the most common command. These are the shortcuts which are the most common command. Title bar. Microsoft Word document, it is a title bar. This is the top middle bar at the MS Word window. It identifies the Word program running and the name of the active document. Suppose I want to change this title. Very simple to change. How can you change this title? Very simple. Click on file and choose save as. Suppose I want to save as that document. File is there. I want to change class and title bar. It is a title bar. This is the top middle bar at the MS Word window. It identifies the Word program running and the name of the active documents. Suppose now this time class 3rd Word window will active, is active. You can change your title. How? Click on file and choose the save option and choose the location where you want to, and I want to change this file name is XYZ, and now click on save button. Now you can see your title has been changed into XYZ Word. Now it is active. This window XYZ document. What is a minimize button and what is a maximize button and close button? It is a minimize button. Minimize button means this button is also present on the top right corner of the MS Word window along with two other buttons. It is the two other buttons. When you have to mouse over on it, it will be so minimize. When you have to click on here, this document will be shrink the application window to a bar on the taskbar. See, when you have to click on here, it will be now shrink down. It is in shrink position, and when you have to click on here, it will be open. Next one, second button, minimize and restore button. When you have to click, you see here with carefully, there is a double square is here. Now it is ready to, here is given maximize. This button is also present with minimize button on the top right corner of MS Word window. These other two button is here. And maximize or restore the window. When you have to click on here, see there is a maximize. When you have to over your mouse is, it will be so. See, maximize. Click on here to maximize it. When you have to click on here, it will be minimize. But when you have to click this one, it is a minimize to shrink down. See, now it is a shrink position. So restore, there is a given, it is a restore button, and click on maximize, and it is a close button. A quick, you can also give the other name, that is a quit. This button close MS Word. This button closes your MS Word or your document. Yes, just click on here, see it will be closed. Double click on here to open and click on here, it will be closed. Next one. What is a ribbon? A ribbon is located just below the title bar. It functions as a combination of menu bar and toolbar. Ribbon contains two parts. Tabs, these are the tabs, and groups, these are the groups. Each tab contains set of commands under a group. Suppose home tabs contain clipboard group, font group, paragraph group, style group, and editing group. File tab has contained new, open, save, save as, and insert tab has pages group, table group, illustration group, add-ins, media. Design tab has group, document formatting group, page background group. Layout tab has group, page setup group, paragraph group, arrange group. Now it is a ribbon. Now upside there is a given, these are the tabs, and these are the groups. What is the status bar? Status bar is here. See, it is the status bar. It tells information about the document and provides shortcuts for changing the views and the zoom. Yes, I want to show here. Yes, I have typed here my name is XYZ, and now it is a 60% zoom level is here. I want to increase it. See, when you have to increase, it will be go this side. Now it is a 190% zoom level is here, and you can also zoom out is here. For this you can, now it is a 80%, you can see. What is the document area? This is the large area where you type. The flashing vertical bar is called the insertion point, and it represents the location where text will appear when you type.